मैं हूँ RJ दिव्या और आज मैं अपने यूजुअल स्टूडियो में नहीं हूँ. It is first for me as well and so I'm really proud of this because मुझे लगता है बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है जब आप रेडियो की दुनिया में आते हो. आज मेरा ये जो makeshift studio is actually an operation theatre with a robotic system and I'm so honored to be sharing this space with Sir Padma Shri Dr. Chaube. Known for his fastest surgeries as well, जिसके ऊपर मैं बाद में आऊंगी, but सबसे पहले so welcome to Radio City.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure and honor.
It's an honor for me, sir. We've spoken earlier, thanks to Zoom and thanks to the COVID era, कि मुलाकातें सिर्फ Zoom पे ही रह गई और मुझे लगता था पता नहीं हमें मिलना होगा कि नहीं होगा. मिलना हुआ भी तो आज आपके रूटीन में. But I'm here to learn so many new things. Laparoscopy surgery के लिए हमने बात की है. You're known for it. You're a pioneer in it. So robotic surgery, something that you've already created a record in. How's the journey been?
Well, I think 30 years back we moved from conventional surgery to the laparoscopic surgery. That was a big leap of faith in terms of technology.
Yes.
And 30 years after, now we are moving to another technological advancement. Far more than the laparoscopic itself is the robotic laparoscopy or robotic assisted surgeries. So I feel very excited and the whole medical community feels very excited because when we moved from conventional to laparoscopy, we lost one dimension.
Right.
So conventional surgery is 3-dimensional, laparoscopy became 2-dimensional. Now with the robotic system coming in, now we have got all the advantages of laparoscopy plus we have gained the lost dimension. And robotic laparoscopy is 3-dimensional surgery. It's a huge advantage and you just mentioned from the Zoom meeting to the actual physical meeting like this. So this is the advantage and I'm sure all of us who have gone through the pandemic, we know how important it is to have all the 3 dimensions with us. Whether in your personal relations or with the society or with any meeting, how important it is and how it produces the warmth and the actual feelings come out. So as a surgeon, I feel very excited that today I am able to provide our patients with all advantages of laparoscopy plus the added advantage of accuracy and more precision with 3D robotic system.
Yeah, I've seen it in films and for a commoner like myself, ये एक बहुत अलग दुनिया है. But sir, I should have technically started the conversation by thanking you because we mentioned COVID era time and again. Thank you for being those guiding angels. You've been working non-stop. You've been finding these technologies for us. Thank you yet again. Next generation robotic system that we've been talking about. ये exactly क्या है और किसको benefit करे?
Well, I think 20 years back we had another robotic system which was there. And that robotic system was mainly used for prostatic surgeries and cancers more than anything else.
Right.
And that was a system which was stationed in one operation theatre.
Right.
And there was a sort of cave sort of thing where we looked at, the closed sort of thing. Now with this next generation robotic system, as you know, the technology increases. And this robotic system is mobile.
Right.
So we, as you can see, we can move it from one operation theatre to another operation theatre. This gives us a great utilization of the operation theatre and we can do more operations in a day.
Right.
You don't have to wait for the theatre to be vacated, next patient to be brought in.
Right.
The other operation theatre is already ready there. Then as you see this console is an open console, there is no tunnel.
Right.
So the surgeon, I feel that I can communicate with my team, my anesthetist, I can see all the monitors, which is monitoring the pulse, blood pressure, everything. So that is why it is known as a next generation robotic system, which we know that the technological advancements are there, and this system is used for all advanced laparoscopic procedures, but also as a common procedures like gallbladder stones, hernia, bariatric surgery, obesity surgery, metabolic surgery, fundoplications, hysterectomies. So practically all common surgeries can be done with this next generation system. And we are very excited about this new development and we have been using it for the last 2 years.
Sir, I was about to ask you the procedures that can be done, but to just simplify हमारे listeners के लिए, viewers के लिए जो देखेंगे, the surgeries they can now depend on? मतलब इसके ऊपर कुछ specific surgeries?
Well, I think every surgeon is excited. The only thing is the cost. The system is very expensive,
Right.
and is available only in few centers in the country.
Right.
But I'm sure with the passage of time, more and more surgeons will be using it. More and more hospital will have, and there will be definitely demand from the patients because of its precision and safety. More patients will ask for robotic surgery, and I'm sure with the increased number, like anything else, when the number increases, the cost goes down. The system will also become less expensive, and per procedure cost will also go significantly down.
So basically, सबका सवाल यही होता है with time, if this is come, obviously more of it would mean थोड़ा और in terms of the cost. Sir, robotic arms की हमने बात की. What is special about the arms, and they really sort of catch the surgeon's hand movements?
Well, yeah, I think what happened that any surgeons, this thing is restricted because of wrist movement,
Right.
and then we have to use elbow and we have to use shoulder. Now with the robotic arm, the shoulder and elbow we are using from the robotic system,
Right.
and the wrist, my wrist moves only this much, but robotic wrist goes twice, so 720 degree. So my precision, which can be sometimes hampered with the limited movements, is overtaken by the robotic arm, and the movements are very refined and very magnified.
Right.
So when you are stitching, when you are suturing, your stitches can be absolutely exactly where you want.
Right.
And of course the 3-dimension view, as we mentioned, increases another versatility. So the robotic arms and the robotic system increases the surgeon's precision and dexterity, enhances the surgeon's precision, which ultimately results into better results and more precise surgical experience.
I'm just going back to my 90s के TV shows, and it used to look like an unbelievable reality कि ऐसा कभी होगा कि एक रोबो आएगा और वो चीजें उठाएगा. But here we're doing full surgeries with the robo, sir. How are people reacting to it? Also कुछ myths लेकर वो आते हैं या मन में डर के साथ आपके पास आते हैं कि आप नहीं करोगे, रोबो करेगा. How do you handle it?
मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ा जो myth है जिसको we are trying to repeatedly tell, it is not the robot which is operating. It is me as a surgeon or any other surgeon is operating the robot.
Right.
So robot is following my command.
Right.
The fact is that I am sitting on a console and I'm at peace. I don't have to stand up, or I can stand up also. And I'm just using my wrist.
Right.
So I always say the difference is that previously I was writing on a board because where I was using my wrist, shoulder and elbow both, and my body. Now I am using only my wrist. As you are writing sitting on the desk, that means that my handwriting has become better because all my joints are frozen. Only wrist is working as you are signing the checkbook or writing something on the paper. So that is a big excitement.
So, but कुछ when patients meet you, जब आते हैं कुछ ऐसे myth लेकर आते हैं कि ये पूछते हैं and you're like you have answers to those common myths that people have about it.
ये सबसे पहले तो बोलते हैं डॉक्टर साहब आपसे ऑपरेशन कराना है, उनको रोबोट से नहीं कराना. So I said no, I am running the robot.
Right.
So robot is following my command. So my command, it's like your cars now. You see, we have seen previous generation of cars. Now the new generation of cars has got much more safety devices. The multiple cameras which are there. So same thing is with the robotic system. Because it's a technological advancement, it gives us, so if the instrument is touching any organ, it freezes. It will not allow it to move. If any instrument goes out of camera vision, the whole system freezes. So it adds to my safety and reduces the human errors to a large extent.
Right.
You know?
So you'll have to, वो कहते हैं कि मशीन आप कितनी भी एडवांस ले आओ चलाते आती है. It's going to be the doctor who's doing it. It's just that there's more precision. So fastest 100 world record robotic surgeries. that photo बनती है ना, the world record holder, and 600 surgeries in a year. How's the team reacting to this? How is your team working?
Well, I think that our team has adopted this next generation robotic system very quickly.
Right.
And this is a very friendly robot. And you can move the robot. All arms, 6 arms are there. All 6 arms can be moved. So that is also added advantage. Instead of by 2 arms, we have got 6 arms to control. So it's a fantastic sort of thing, and I think the patients have also taken well. Initially there was apprehension, but many times people say that it was some sort of what should I say, is a training or something is going on, but it's not. It's not. We are already laparoscopically trained surgeon.
Right.
So if you give us a robot, we become even better laparoscopic surgeon and with more precision.
Awesome. Sir, to end this conversation, I would really want you to tell us what keeps you so motivated and what is your morning motivation जब आप इतनी सारी surgeries करने के लिए अंदर जा रहे हैं? What's your mantra?
Well, I think the mantra is very simple. I think I would always like to create a win-win situation when I feel that my experience of maybe 93,000 operations in last more than 30 years, now my experience is getting enhanced, and I'm very passionate about training and teaching my young surgeons, because those are the surgeons who are going to provide safe surgery to the next generation of patients.
Yes.
So my big excitement is that we are able to create a win-win situation for the patients, for a better surgery, better clinical outcome, for us, more precise this thing, safer surgery. And I have always believed that the safety is always less. Today, whatever is safe, tomorrow will become unsafe.
Yeah.
So we have to continuously look for safer options, may it be driving, may it be your life, may it be professional life. So I think we are moving in that direction, and that is a big motivation for us.
And with that, I have to say thank you, sir. It's been an honor. And बहुत simple तरीके से अगर मेरे जैसा इंसान robotic surgery समझ के बाहर जा रहा है, believe me, at least I can tell 1,000 more people कि भाई you have to trust it. That's Dr. Chaube, Padma Shri Dr. Chaube, holding some of the amazing records, and most importantly, robotic surgery के लिए इसलिए बात की है because he's the man behind those machines, and आप trust कर सकते हो. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure.